LEFTEMAP Life. Wokopat plong Kalo mo Esther. Storia Alison Coleman i write mo illustration ikamlo Island Craft. One day, Esther I find one rubbish soil on Lake Bloem. Man Bloem, Kalo, wetem ol pikinini Bloem, oli tekem hem ikol hospital plong karem one health checkup. Long hospital, Esther I find out se hemikat sick sugar mompa oli mas katemat Lake Bloem. Oli give him one wheelchair lo Esther plo yusum. Pe hemi worry se how now, pa hemi manage time hemi kopak lo house Bloem. Kalo I klat lo lanem some new fella way plong care long Esther after lo operation Bloem. Hemi lanem also monem plo help him Esther plong lay down mo move long bed long one way safe plo make him se pa hemi no save kasem any bed soa lo body Bloem. Hemi lanem also monem plong massage him body plo Esther plo make him plati run good mo check him body plong any sign plong red mark or any sore. Hemi lanem how plo left him up good Esther mo safety mem lo bed ikolo wheelchair. Kalo I make sure se hemi no pen dem pak plo hem pe I usum power plo leg plo hem plo left him up Esther. Pe Esther I worried se also monem now pa hemi save go inside lo house with them new wheelchair plo hem. Community agree plo help him Kalo mo family plo build him one concrete ramp ikolong house. Rampiam by help him Esther plo go inside mo come outside long house with them new wheelchair plo hem long one safe way. Time hemi kasem house, Esther I glad lo usum new rampia with them handrail. Penaya, hemi think about se toilet I stop long way too much long house long hem. Time mama plo Kalo I want them go long toilet, one pikinini I must take him hemi go. Pe Esther I worry se who now by help him. All pikinini only try him take him hemi go lo toilet, pe Esther I fright. Community decide on building one inclusive VIP toilet to help him Esther. He got full of space inside plong wheelchair, mo only put him one toilet seat with him handrail. Esther mo mama plo Kalo to fly klatumas plo usum new inclusive VIP toilet we stop plo community. Mama plo Kalo I lagem plo holem one rope plo make him say emi easy plo find him way plo em iko lo toilet hem one no mo. Kalo I harem say got one mobile toilet chair where Esther I save usum inside lo house, especially lo night mo time I got big fla rain. Hemi lanem say you save usum toilet chair lo side lo pet no mo. After you carry out packet, sakem ulto tiko, mo putum packet iko pak, ready plo usum next time. Kalo I klatumas plo lanem all new fula something ya. Hem all prada plo hem only work together plo make him one toilet chair plo Esther. Now ya, time Esther I need plo kolo toilet lo night, Kalo I help him plo move iko usum new toilet chair ya. Kalo I lanem all nara new something too plo look at them good Esther lo home. Time Esther I want them swim, Kalo I putum one mattress protector lo bed, plong bed no save wet. After hemi putum all calico plong swim, long hand plong hem, mo usum plo wasem Esther long bed with them small soap mo water. After we hemi wasem hem, Kalo I putum mersin long any soa, cover him up with them clean dressing mo plaster. Kalo I help him Esther plo wear him all clothes plong incontinence, make him say Esther I save go outside without any leak. Esther I glad tuma se all pikinini plo hem, oli save go pak lo school mo oli no need plo stop lo house plo look out hem. Now ya, hemi glad se hemi save spend them time with them all friend plo hem. Esther I happy tumas plo save sempa all family plo hem, oli save take care lo hem, time hemi stop lo house. Estai film se hemikla tumas from full family mo community plohem, olisave good how plo help hem. Kalo ikla tumas plong lanem some new way plo lukatem good all family plonghem. Thank you tumas ikolong government plong Australia, through long Australian Humanitarian Partnership, mo World Vision Vanuatu, plo ceremony new way plong lukatem good all people with them disability inside long all community plong yimi long Vanuatu.